My name is Bibiana Lambert. I am the registrar at University of Edenberg here in Lusaka. University of Edinburgh is an engineering, science, technology and medical university. It is run by the Edenberg University Limited, established by visionaries and eminent educationists. We were established in the year 2017, but we're now under new management. And we're basically here to impart science, technology and innovation for the development of Africa, in particular Zambia. We have a vision which is to be a globally recognized, inclusive and technologically driven university of choice for both the learners, and we are also industry centric. Our mission is to prepare our learners to be professional leaders that are equipped to make a positive impact in a dynamic, changing global environment. Now we do this through education, through research, through creativity and innovation. We believe in a better tomorrow. Now we are influenced by doctrine. Now this particular doctrine believes that higher education is actually a basic human right which promotes world peace and global economic development. We cannot talk development minus the aspect of education, and so we are offering that particular aspect to the 21st century student. So currently we are doing enrollments in a couple of areas. We are talking about the Bachelor in Business Administration. We are also offering a Bachelor in Primary Education, offering a Bachelor in Secondary Education, also offering a Bachelor in Social Work, as well as a Master's in Education Management. So we are beginning with this because, like I said, we have sort of taken over from 2017. This is new management, this is the area. But our primary focus will be science, technology, engineering. University of Edinburgh is the primary choice, the first choice, because you don't want to gamble with that particular choice. Here we offer you the best in terms of learning tools. We are offering learning with interactive learning boards, which we'll be able to showcase to you, and you appreciate some of this because today's 21st century student is obviously, has their minds on a range of things, but when we bring you the technology that enhances your learning, we believe that we are that place where you need to be. Because when you enroll with UNICAF University, we give you the exposure that you need to be able to learn, to appreciate. So we're creating that cutting-edge technology experience for the student.
My name is Alinani Simukanga. I'm a lecturer under the School of Computer Science and ICT. So we're basically the first private university that's focused on science, engineering, technology, and medical programs in Zambia. So one thing that helps us stand out from the competition is we have the first dedicated campus for women, which is located in Rhodes Park. Aside from that, we provide various scholarships, such as the 100% Ariamutu Memorial Scholarship, as well as various merit-based scholarships in our various schools. Aside from that, we are offering a study abroad program with a partner university within the Philippines. It's a medical university that will allow our students to first complete their foundation years within Zambia before they can travel to Philippines and study for a year or two over there. Aside from that, we have set up labs that aim to target 21st century programs, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning and the like. And some of the things we'll showcase here at the show are some of the kits we have, that we're going to intend to use in these labs.
For one person that is looking forward to enroll, how easy is it to enroll with the university?
It's very easy. They can just get in touch with us on our various contact numbers. There's also an email address that we'll share. They can find us at our main campus, which is located in Rhodes Park, which is what we're considering as our campus for women. Aside from that, we are located near Crossroads Mall, which is our St. Eugene campus. That's actually right behind Crossroads Mall. So that one is co-education as opposed to our women campus. So that's where people can find us.
All right, so we're in the age of social media now. Any presence on social media?
Yes, we do have a presence. They can just search for the University of Edinburgh on all social platforms and they'll be able to find our pages.